All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today I'm out here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley, and I'm gonna be touring this property here. And the name of this neighborhood is Acacia, well actually the summit at Acacia Landings. And this is by D.R. Horton. This is one of the biggest models I've ever seen. This thing, believe it or not, is 4,425 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 4 bath with a 4-car garage. And it looks like the starting price with this is about $880,000. Now you can buy this stuff for about $900 all in, but this is definitely a gorgeous home. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna take a look. Also, I wanna say that this one actually has a next gen too as well. So this would be the 2-car garage and another 2 here. There's a lot of things that do come with this home. This home actually sits on about a 1/4 acre. So as you can see how big this lot is. I mean, a lot of these people are putting like RVs and stuff like that. So it comes with the pavers. You got the sky bell. You also got the keypad here with the rekey. Now let me show you. Let's see, where do we start? It does come with a 9-foot ceilings, orange peel texture with the bull nose. And what I like about this is that the flooring comes with 12 by 24 on the tile, only in the wet areas though. Let's take a look at this kitchen. 9-foot ceilings, and it comes with some LED lights. The countertops, you have an option from quartz or granite. Now what I like about D.R. Horton is that you don't have to go to the design studio and have like hundreds of options. So a lot of stuff that you see here is pretty much what you get. You get the 42 upper cabinets. Also comes with Whirlpool packaged appliances. You get the double oven. This is 36 inches on the cook countertop. That comes with it too as well. Home does come equipped with a 10-year warranty. Now keep in mind the refrigerator is not included, nor the backsplash. Now there are a couple things that come with the home as far as like the system. For low voltage, you get the 5.0 pre-wire for the surround sounds here in the living room. As big as this home is, 4,400 square feet, it just seems like it's a little bit smaller downstairs, but it's just such a big house. All right, let's head on outside. We have a 8-foot vinyl slide here, 8 feet tall. Love the cover patio, wraps all the way around. But the crazy thing about this is that the exit here is on the corner. I would rather have the slider here. But just look how big this lot is. It's unbelievable. Now, if you have a big family, this is definitely where you want to be. So here we also have the garage, 4-car garage where you can exit and you can enter right into the casita there. But I mean, just take a look at your perimeter wall, how large this thing is. Now, home this size, one thing that you got to take a look at is your breaker box. See how many amps. What I like about this one, you have a 300 amp breaker. So it's just something that you just need to be aware of because you don't want things tripping. All right, let's head down. This way, let's go look at the casita. Here's the garage. That's the sales office, so we won't go there. Linen closet. We have 6'8" on the door here. Here's the casita. Now this is a pretty large casita. Definitely nice to have a family member live with you that you got to take care of, right? They live in the same house and separate. Washer and dryer here is not included. Oh, here's the protein shake I actually take. But the one I take is chocolate. Anyway. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Pretty decent sized room. Take a look at this closet space. Walk-in closet. This is probably a good 4x4. Coming into the bathroom. Again, we get the 12x24 on the tile. 3/4 bath. Fiberglass shower. You got the MultiGEN fixtures. What I like about MultiGEN is that when you do the plumbing on these and you want to change out the fixtures, you don't have to change out the cartridge on it. And when you start changing out the cartridge, then you need to get a plumber in here and they got to resolder the plumbing for the new cartridge. So you can't just take a MultiGEN and change it with something else. But they're pretty universal, so that's what's great about it. Alright, let's make our way upstairs. Also, HOAs are $89 a month. This is just such a large house. So you got the powder or quarter bath. Smart panel box. Got the 18-inch there. Now they do have a couple standing inventories where they're just trying to liquidate some of their properties. It's like some sort of national sale, I guess they're saying. So if you guys want that list, let me know. Also, if you guys want a list of bank-owned properties, we'll be able to send you over some bank-owned, some foreclosures as well. Just give us a call or shoot us your email. Be happy to provide all that information. Here's the loft. Now you can also do pre-wiring too as well, and some lights on here. Very large living room or loft. Let's start off on this side. So we've got a couple of bedrooms here. So we got a bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, laundry room. Laundry room, you got the pre-plumb for the sink here. Optional with the cabinet. Get your attic access right there. And you got the fire system throughout. Coming across the hallway, we have our bathroom. 36 inches high. You got the dual basin sink. Or double sink. Now I notice my screen on my GoPro here, I'm getting lines through it, so sometimes the frequency really screws up the GoPro. Also, another thing, if you guys want to learn how to do video home tours and want to get monetized, make some extra income, I do have a link in the description that we have a full course. It's called Realtor Academy. Shows you exactly how to do these video tours. And if you have no clue on how to edit videos or camera settings, we literally break it down for you. How to also set up appointments with these sales agents, so that way you can get in to do these video home tours. Wow, this is such a big house. I just feel like it's a lot of dead space. I mean, overall, I feel like that living room should have been more open for me. But I mean, you're almost paying $1 million for this home. As far as like what you get for the price, it's actually not that bad if you want a bigger house, you know what I mean? And you got like a bunch of kids. I mean, this is a 6-bedroom. I don't know if I could deal with 6 kids. I mean, I'm a kid myself. I have no time for kids. I don't know how people do it. It's crazy. Look how large this primary. I mean, this is just like ridiculous. It's like endless. So you got the distribute sounds above. Now, this is a pretty large closet too as well. Pretty deep. It's at least 18 feet, probably about by 8 feet, 6 feet. Let's go take a look at the primary bath. Now what you'll notice is that you can't really do too much upgrades with this product by D.R. Horton, because this is just more like entry-level spec building, which means you don't have that much of an option. I feel like the bathroom is a little bit narrow. And for the price point of this home, I would love to see the bathroom to be more luxurious, more large, right? And also with the downstairs living room. And I feel like that should be the center and focal point of the home. And you should have that backyard that really invites you into that slider that should be down the middle. I don't know if that makes sense. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. But we'll make our way this way. Down here. And alright guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, really do appreciate it. You guys have a blessed day. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.